Hi guys. Hello. Thank you. Cheers. Hi. Hi everybody. आजा लाइव पे आजा. How's it going? क्या चल रहा है? Okay. So today we're gonna ask some questions. ठीक है? तो जो भी questions है. So what am I drinking? Good question. So first question is a good question. This is called apple beetroot carrot juice. I just worked out. तो उसके बाद ये it's good for your body, good for your skin, good for your hair, good for everything. So have this every time you finish working out or before working out also. It's a very good pre-workout. I take pre-workout, the unnatural one. My views on trolling. Go ahead, make some memes, troll us. All good. No publicity for us, na? ಹೌದು, ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ. ಜಾಶ್, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಮೈ ನೇಮ್? Africa, right? Hi. Don't know why people hate you two as a couple, but I personally adore you both. लोग इसलिए नफरत करते हैं क्योंकि सारे कंटेस्टेंट्स बहुत कुछ बोल रहे हैं हमारे बारे में. So शायद their fans, their views, they also have got a good following, right? From whatever shows they have done. And if they show us hate, then their fans automatically will. What happened? What is this? I didn't do anything. यार ये filter कैसे लगाया यार? Huh? My hands are here. Are you guys seeing a filter? I don't want this filter. Hello? Shit. How do you remove this? कैसे निकालनी है? Can somebody tell me how to remove a filter? I'm so bad at this. Can somebody explain? Dude, please tell me how to remove the filter. No. Okay. Got it. Awesome. You seduce us, Joshua? Come on, yaar. Come on. No hate for you guys. You're the best. I know, right? Thank you. तो इतने सारे hate comments आ रहे हैं, I guess paid obviously, which we don't give a shit about. लेकिन कुछ चीज़ों के बारे में बात करना है. I think first of all the fact that in the previous episode I think people are going live and saying कि नहीं आकृति ने थेरी बोली कि we'll take Digvijay and Unnati's name. यार हमें सारे वहाँ दोस्त थे, सारे के सारे. And in the end moment Harsh just flipped over. I think you saw my video. मैंने वही बोला था कि यार हर्ष ने भी agree किया. And Harsh said like, bro, I have beef with him. I need to go against him. Because I think in the beginning you can see कि Digvijay said something like, क्या? Oh yeah, let's see whose connection strong or whatever is real. I don't even remember. But हाँ, तो उसके बाद Harsh said, yeah, he said this against me, so I want to go against him. But again, Digvijay didn't care. He didn't use his brain, and he was like, okay, chalo, these guys. Okay, we saved in the previous Dome session. Obviously for our benefit as well. Yeah, we just do everything for you. Send you on date and also save you, win the show for you. What do you want us to do? So, and then Harsh just backed out and they're saying, hey, इन्होंने किया. Such kiddish behavior. खुद को शेर बोलता है. Oh, and then suddenly नहीं. आकृति ने बोला. Bro, if you have some balls and guts, go for it. Say कि हाँ मैंने बोला. We just say हाँ हमने बोला. You also said it, but no. Okay. So that. Secondly, I think Digvijay also going live and saying कि क्या नहीं इन्होंने बोला ये सब. Dude, they're all friends now. You understand what I'm trying to say, guys? Can you see the trend? Can you see it? वो सारे लोग दोस्त हैं. They're going against us. So even I think remember Harsh also said something like in the beginning, I think in the courtroom session, no, I did not know the full story. ये सब वो सब वहाँ से footage के लिए बोला था क्या? He just started saying in the courtroom for Akriti saying कि लड़की है ये सब वो सब. And then later he comes and says नहीं I didn't know the full story. Guys think logically कि ये लोग सारे दोस्त बन गए. and we are not their friends. Even though in the show, we were quite good. Everyone was okay with us. Everyone, like, trust me, behind the camera, oh my god. Suddenly, bahar aake, I think we didn't go party with them or they're feeling hurt. Yeah, so you guys can understand. So that happened, number one. So yeah, so they're all saying this flipper hai, ye sab, wo sab. Let them say you guys know the true story, right? Yeah. Okay. Secondly, just where's Akriti? Akriti's at our house doing what she wants to do. Can you tell us who reaches? No, I can't. And is the other ideal match is Aditya and Khanna? You guys want me to tell you? I will tell you guys later. Okay, you guys keep watching the show. Wake your show go and understand how it's going. Guys, I don't want to spoil anything for you. Can you please stop asking for the show? Asking about what has happened. Kya hua tha? Whatever's been going on. Whatever people are saying on their broadcast. Bro, you can go check my broadcast. It's like, it's nothing against them so much, but these guys are just like going on and on and on and on. And considering the fact that kya ye log likhte hain both Digvijay and Shivesh at the same point in both of us out. I mean, they are on their broadcast saying so much shit. Let them say it, it's okay. It's fine, guys. Oh, yeah. What I want to say is VDs में हम ये सब बोल रहे हैं. Okay, तो I'm sure even these guys have said so much shit about us in the VDs as well. लेकिन maybe the production didn't put it because it wasn't part of the story or wasn't part of what was going on or they didn't feel कि ये important है लगाने के लिए, right? तो ऐसा होता है. So everyone says a lot of shit. Everyone says so much on the VDs, and that's how the show is supposed to be done. समझ लो, सोच लो, ठीक है? So remember that broadcast पे you guys are saying so much shit. And like we said something about Shivesh, it's normal, guys. He ran away after the conversation. What are we supposed to do, right? And you guys keep watching the show. आपको समझ में आएगा कि ये सब क्यों हो रहा है. Why is everyone doing this? Why are they doing that and this? And people क्या? हाँ, people are saying कि इन्होंने Telegram पे ग्रुप क्रिएट किया है, ये सब वो सब. फिर वही लोग जाके कॉपी करके Telegram के में ग्रुप क्रिएट कर रहे हैं और वहाँ फैंस के साथ बात करें. दोनों ही से क्रिएटेड टेलीग्राम ग्रुप इज बिकॉज ऑन द ब्रॉडकास्ट आई फील लाइक मैं खुद बात कर रहा हूँ ना. सो आई थॉट ओके वहाँ जाके विल टॉक, I can get your feedback, I can do this and that, and people are making fun of me for that. I mean, not people, Digvijay making fun of me for that, and now he himself has gone and created a Telegram group. Like हद है यार, कितना creative है यार, ये सब कर रहे हैं, वो सब कर रहे हैं, broadcast कर रहे हैं, Telegram ग्रुप, WhatsApp ग्रुप, और खुद जाके यही कर रहा है. Yeah, and it's okay, let them. Oh yeah, people are saying कि one more thing, I think Shivesh was saying कि हम fat pages बना रहे हैं and जाके hate फैला रहे हैं, ये सब वो सब. No, not at all, please. And Jashkriti fam, I got, someone messaged me saying please talk to your people and tell them, guys, please stop spreading hate. Don't go and say so much shit on the accounts and pages. We don't want that. We're not part of that. So don't go and comment shit. Don't go and comment just we don't want that. You come on our post, tell nice things about us, okay? Don't go over there, don't go on any of their posts and spread hate, okay? We're not like that. We don't want that to happen. Can you understand? Yes? Okay. Good. Right, and something about Nandu also is going on. Everyone's saying that, look at him, he cheated in the previous show, this, that. There's nothing like that. I did not cheat on her. And I think she can figure it out herself. Though there's so many fake accounts, fan pages in all comments saying, "इन्होंने show में cheat किया है, ये सब वो सब." It was not that. Nothing like that happened. It would be a big deal if I did that. You think I'm stupid to do that on national television? First of all, come on, guys. Use your head. So whoever these guys are spreading all this bullshit, no, I did not cheat on Nandu. No, I was not in a relationship for the past 2 years, and no, I'm still not in a relationship. So guys, just understand that it's all paid PR. I don't know who's saying what sort of shit. So just understand that, okay? Stop this bullshit. You want to play the game, play it fair. Don't know this, disgusting below the belt cheesing. Okay? Yeah, good. Yes, I don't like fighting, guys, so much. It's not my thing. It's maybe like if I really felt it. If I'm doing it for something which is not part of the show, definitely I would. I'm outside. I'm a little different than that because You know, I understand people are fighting for different reasons. Over there, बहुत लोग सिर्फ शो के लिए लड़ रहे हैं, सिर्फ शो के लिए. You gotta understand. और जब वो फेक दिखता है, I'm not gonna go and simplify. Okay? बहुत लोग कंटेंट के लिए करते हैं. You know, कि some people don't get footage. So footage के लिए फाइट करते हैं. Footage के लिए ये सब बोल देते हैं. It's a show. It's a reality show. So if you want to be seen, they do all these things and it's normal. But I'm not like that. I don't care. Okay? I don't care about being seen. I don't care about any of that. If the camera comes on me, great. If the camera doesn't come on me, I'm okay with it. I'm not going to fight for footage. Okay? Usually ऐसा होता है कि camera automatically comes behind me. I don't go behind the camera. One minute. Camera automatically comes behind me. I don't go behind the camera. Okay? So it's like that. I don't do anything about. I don't know any of this shit about fighting. Okay? Thanks for that. Alright. Questions. Why we don't talk? We don't talk because we don't want to. Okay? Some controversies are going on. Shayad baad mein, once all of this is cleared, we can. Nice guy. That's it. It's like sometimes shit happens, you know. Just go with the flow. That's it. I really want to come to Goa. It's been like a plan for some time. So मैं आऊँगा जल्दी. Okay? Yeah, and hey, it's commendable how you don't react or fight until it's necessary. Hats off to you. Thank you. I think in the first part of the show, I already told it in my interview or said in my interview कि मैं नहीं लड़ूंगा unless somebody comes and pushes me or says something about my parents. It's like something I tell myself because the moment I start fighting, it'll be bad. I don't want to do that. I don't want to burst, especially on national television. I'm not like that. I don't want to do that. Don't push my buttons. You'll see how strong I am in challenges or whatever. But I don't want to simply go fight for no fucking reason. It's not me. It's not who I am. Say something about my parents, I will fuck you up. Say something about my family, you know, my everything like that, I'll get really pissed off. Push me, you'll know what happens. But other than that, I'll try to use my words and figure things out. Okay? It's a show. Don't take it too seriously. It's not your whole life. Yeah? Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna send you guys the Telegram group. So go there. Again, if people tell their followers and supporters to come to my group, say all sorts of shit, go ahead, go for it. I think I affect you so much that you'll tell them all this. And yeah, comments about Sachin, nothing guys, nothing at all. Sympathy Kumar or kuch. Let him do what he wants to do. It's okay. Show dekh le. Everything ended well, but suddenly people do it for fame, for clout, for glory, for sympathy. You'll understand, ठीक है? Show देख लो. अभी के लिए ये लोग उड़ रहे हैं, उड़ने दो. Okay? I'm coming to Bangalore very soon, guys. 3-4 दिन में आ रहा हूँ. Oh, you are so cute. I see Bismillah more than 5 times one episode only for you. Thank you. I'm not that cute also, but thanks. There was something that everyone trusted Digvijay as his ex-sister said he is not a liar. Let them talk. There's nothing like that, guys. सब लोग झूठ बोल सकते हैं, सब लोग झूठ बोलते हैं, लोग एक लाइन घुमा के बोलते हैं. Get? So it's okay. If just because X said it, X doesn't mean it's true. What are the questions? Guys, come on. I'm trying to read everything. 1 second. Why was the vlog for only 3 minutes? I'm sorry. I should have vlogged more. But yeah, this was like a small vlog, okay? I'll come up with longer vlogs later. Yes, long vlogs coming up, don't worry. Sometimes I like living in the moment, you get it? That's why. Sachin shared a photo. Huh? Okay. I'll let him share what he wants to share, I guess. यार, I don't give a shit about him. लेने दो, जो फुटेज लेना है लेने दो, बाद में दिख जाएगा सब कुछ. Don't worry. My birthday is on August 7th. Guys, come on. Come on, good questions. Where is Akriti? Yeah. I don't know where Akriti is. Guys, I've got 1 or 2% battery left, okay? I'm gonna go now. Yeah? Okay? But, Jashkriti fam, please don't go on everyone's posts and say shit. Okay? We don't want that. We don't like you doing that. I've told it 100 times. And I'm saying it one more time as well. Please. ये सब बोले सचिन प्लस यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स देखने सब बोले कि बाद में तुम लोग शौक सब रख. I understand that's okay. Akriti Negi official time क्या हो रहा है Jash? Maybe it's time to give you some love. Okay, one second. Just for you guys. Let me add someone special. एक person बाकी बचता है. I'm so sorry, but maybe it's time for me to go. If she comes before that, I mean that special person comes before that, great. But nah, that's it. Okay, yeah. Jashkriti fam, please stop doing that. Everyone's been messaging me saying that some of you guys are going around saying shit. Do not spread hate. We are not about that. Give us love. We're good. Support us when someone says negative about us. Support us. But we don't want you going and spreading hate. Okay, don't say all sorts of stupid shit. Don't go and do this and that. Okay? Yeah? Thank you. Alright, guys. See you some other time. Good talk. And better questions, okay, about the game and this and that. मैं एक और बार ब्रॉडकास्ट पे मैं मेरा टेलीग्राम का लिंक भेज रहा हूँ. That's okay. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye. Oh, big fan. Thank you so much, guys. You guys are giving us so much love. I shit you not. I'm reading every message. It's tough to reply to every single thing. They can mess up, I don't know. The lumbe messages and all the emails you guys are sending with so much love. And I swear, sometimes it just makes my day. I start smiling whenever I see all these messages. So thank you. All the posts, all the beautiful, beautiful edits you guys make really means a lot. Okay? We're going to make you guys proud. Don't worry about that. And we'll make sure that we always do the right thing. Okay? Bye. Akriti says bye to you guys as well. So much love. She's a fan of you guys. I swear. She's a fan of you guys. And so am I. Bye, Jashkriti fam. Cuties. Take care. Bye. Go. Don't wait for me to cut the call. Go. I mean, like, yeah. Bye. Leave the live. Take care. See you. I want to see all the numbers talk one by one. Even I'm going to stand here and watch all of you guys. Bye. Okay, enjoy the show, yeah?